So today we have a quick video. We have a LOREX 4K Ultra HD DVR, and we want to be able to do administrative reset. Let's check to see if you've forgotten the administrative password. These are the steps you need to take in order for you to be able to get back into the system. And I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset. If you're not able to get to the main menu because you do not have the password, these are the steps to take. Alright, now first thing you're going to do is you need to open the device. I'm going to do that and show you how to do the reset. First thing you need to do is remove all the screws that holds the device together, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remove the upper case of the device. Let me just get this situated. Do not want to have the cables being disconnected. Then the next thing you're going to do is remove power from the device itself. You're going to press and hold this reset button, or one maybe at another location. Press and hold, and plug the power back in. You're going to hold it until you hear a loud beep. Normally it will take about 30 seconds, so be patient. There we go. And once that is finished, you should be able to have a full factory reset. Let's take a look back at the screen. Just give it a few moments to cycle through. Once that comes up, let's pause for a second. The system is initializing, and there you go. You can hit the welcome screen, and now you have a fully reset device. You can go ahead and add new administrative password and reconfigure.